guys, it's Jordan with Trav and J Outdoors. I'm doing another video in our how-to series. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about swivels that you use on your fishing line. Basically, the purpose of a swivel is to make it so you can switch between baits faster. You don't have to retie your line on the bait. It just makes it a lot easier. I'm just going to do a quick little knot. This is what the swivel looks like. You tie your knot up here at the end, and this is where you can hook whatever bait you're using. Now obviously you want to do a better knot than I'm doing just for the purpose of this video whenever you're actually using it, but there's just a quick knot to get it on there. And what you can do, you just unhook this little piece here, really simple. When you say you're going to use a little spinner bait, all you do is slide the end on there. There. Now you hook it back on. Your spinner bait's hooked on. Now say spinner bait's not working, not a good day for catching fish. You can easily just take the spinner bait off. So to unclip it, just push down there, get that off, take your bait off. So you're switching over to a jig like this. I just slide it on there, clip it back on, and then your jig is on the line. So like I said, the purpose of this is just to make it easier to switch back and forth between baits, trying different things. You know, fishing is all about trying different things, figuring out what they're going to bite on that day. So this just makes it a lot easier. Me and Travis both use these on our lines. Hope you guys find this helpful. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, guys, keep it real.